Lordy, 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 lordy. All that little stuff over there, I'm gonna put in the bed of my truck. But that is one carport right there. I'm fixing to take my rope, tie it down real tight, and tomorrow I'll probably take to the scrap yard. I'm not gonna get up there and do that until I feel a little stronger. Let me sit for a minute. Somebody mentioned my oscillating tool, and I have a Makita 18-volt oscillating tool. That might work. I'm going to try that before I do anything else. All that aluminum up there would be called dirty aluminum, and it's only 7 cents a pound. I'm not real concerned about that, but that's what I'm going to throw in the bed of my truck so it doesn't blow around, move around. And that is the rest of the carport. And there is the metal. That's metal. I'm not taking that to the scrap. They don't give you nothing for metal, or hardly anything. So what do you think? 35 cents a pound. How much you think I'm going to get for that? My guess is about 40 bucks. That's my guess. 40 bucks. What do you think?